Hello students, now the topic is a positive series clipper with a negative reference. In previous session we discussed about a positive series clipper with a positive reference, right? Here we are changing simply the reference voltage. Instead of positive reference we are using negative reference voltage to this clipper. This is the circuit diagram. Here we are giving the bidirectional signal. Same thing here also we are using two conditions, that is V in greater than to minus VR, V in less than to minus VR. V in greater than to minus VR means input voltage is above the reference voltage. Above the reference voltage, which means obviously input is a positive signal. So when positive signal is giving to this diode, then this diode positive is giving to negative terminal of the diode, right? Then this diode is going to be reverse bias condition. Reverse bias condition, when it is in reverse bias condition, it acts like an open switch. So the input signal is does not allow from input to output side. So obviously output is equals to 0. But here we are using some external voltage, right? Okay, whatever external voltage, whatever reference voltage is there, so that voltage is now at the output session. So here V out is equals to minus VR now. So when input is above the reference voltage, that is a positive signal, input is positive signal, then the output is equals to reference voltage. Reference voltage. Next condition, V in less than to minus VR. So the input voltage is less than to reference voltage, lower than the reference voltage, right? Obviously that is input signal is a negative peak. When negative peak is giving to this diode, then this diode is going to be forward bias condition. If it is in forward bias condition, it acts like a closed switch. This diode is in closed switch condition. This input is allowing from input to output side. So output voltage is as same as the input voltage. So in the second condition, V in less than to reference voltage, output is as same as the input voltage. Based upon these two conditions, we are taking the input and output waveforms of a clipper. So here this is the input waveform plus Vm, positive peak is indicating with plus Vm, negative peak is indicating with minus Vm. In terms of values, in terms of value, that is plus 5 volts, minus 5 volts, right? Okay. So this is the output signal. How we get the output signal? Listen careful. In first case, V in greater than to minus VR, input is at positive half. During positive half, output voltage is equals to reference voltage. Output voltage is equals to the reference voltage. Here the reference voltage is minus 2 volts. So simply output voltage is equals to the reference voltage. During negative half, in the condition of V in less than 2 minus VR, during negative half, V naught is as same as the input signal. So during negative half, output voltage is as same as the input signal. Next, during positive half, output voltage is equals to the negative reference voltage. During positive half, output voltage is equals to the minus VR. Next, during negative half, output voltage is as same as the input voltage. So in this way, we are taking the output waveform according to these two conditions. Thank you.